Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Hope you have an amazing day. It's kind of exciting here. It's an amazing day here. We got a fresh 2023 Ram 1500 Sport. I think it's our first one. Just fresh from Michigan, came off the truck here right away. So it's a Sport with the night appearance group, so everything's all blacked out. You get the 22-inch rims with a Pirelli Scorpion Verde tires. Has a Sport hood. And if you see on the hood there, under the Hemi, there's e-torque. So it has it gets rid of all your alternator and everything, and it combines everything into an electric generator. And then at takeoff, if you're towing a heavy load, it'll give you like an extra 125 foot-pounds of torque, 105 for a fraction of a second, help get you going. And then once you're up to speed, it'll kind of like kick off. But very nice, handy unit. And then also too, just makes the whole truck more efficient with all the accessories and everything, just having that built-in generator versus the alternator trying to power everything. Beautiful white truck. Love the black accents, bumpers, mirrors, everything's all black, white, and then of course all your accents are all black. It does have the larger fuel tank, so it's got an extra 20-something liters from the factory, so 125 liters, so quite a bit more range, especially if you're going to tow it. It's got a brake controller and hitch and everything, so if you're towing, definitely give you an extra hour or so driving, at least maybe 2 hours of driving if you're towing a trailer. 392 rear end ratio, so you get that 12,500 pound towing capacity. And then of course, take a look back here, everything's all very monochromatic as you will, and looks really sharp. Easy open tailgate, just opens up nice and easy. One finger up. Sliding rear window. Nice addition. My truck always used the right rear window more than I did with my sunroof. Just created a nice airflow through there. Take a look in here. You get the leather trim seat with the mesh interior. Very comfy. Not super cold in the wintertime. And of course, the multiple different fabrics, materials coming together makes a good good support on the seat. And then you have your flip-up seats. Take a look back there, and you get the flip-out tray as well too. It's kind of all tucked away there. 120-volt inverter in the back. So you got household power here, and then up front as well. It's 400 watts split between the two plugs. But if you have like a fast-charging Samsung phone with 45 watts, plugging that in is going to charge up quite a bit faster. USB Type 2 and USB-C ports back here and up front. And then I'll just give you a quick shot of all the cup holders. So in the back, you got cup holders in the rear seat that fold down, a little center console. Cup holder up here that can be used for the front people or the rear, depending on what you got. And also car seats too. This thing's absolutely huge. My truck with my daughter, I always kept her in the middle, and then she could see out the front between the two seats. And when she was really young, of course, just if any side impacts or anything are farther away from the door, but there's car seat anchors all three across, and you can put three car seats in there, and you're not going to have any problem getting them all in there. Taking a look up front, what's new for the 23 is the full digital dash. So the 22s still have like a fixed speedometer and tachometer on the outside, and then in the middle there'd be a little digital portion, but this is kind of like the new Grand Cherokees and Wagoneers. Big sliding compartment, cup holders. You get two in each door, and these little rubber inserts. Two up front. You can always use the back. Beautiful truck, 8-speed transmission. It's absolutely bulletproof. It's made by ZF, which is a company in Germany that makes transmissions for all the high-end Mercedes, Jaguars, Land Rovers, BMWs, trucks. They're a very, very reputable company. Probably the best transmission in a half-ton truck, bar none, in my opinion. Leather-wrapped steering wheel. I could go on and on and on. Would love to have you come down, take a look. It's a fantastic truck. If white's not your color, we do have more coming in. Different colors, hydro blue, granite black, billet metallic, all the colors. Give me a shout on my personal cell, 780-952-3018. Thanks for watching so far. Take care.